welcome back. So the episode begins with Balbir asking Arambir to wear a red sari for the upcoming puja, but Arambir makes it clear that she is not dressing up for any celebration. She is performing the puja only because she wants to pray for Vihan and hopes to see her son again. Balbir silently prays that Arambir's wish come true. Meanwhile, Avantika asks Vishwas whether he wants revenge against Arambi. Vishwas says yes, and Avantika tells him to come with her because they have a plan. At the hospital, Raj meets Manmeet and notices bruises on her hand and neck. He becomes concerned and asks her to take care of herself. Manmeet also wants Raj to take a break from treating patients because of everything he has been through. Both silently worry about each other before Raj walks away. Back home, Balbir asks Arambi if he should speak to Vishwas on her behalf. Arambi refuses, saying she has already tried and Vishwas does not want to listen. She becomes emotional while talking about Vihan and declares that nobody can separate her from her son. If necessary, she is ready to fight Vishwas for her child. Balbir encourages her to try speaking to Vishwas once again, and Arambi agrees. However, Arambi remains suspicious because she knows Vishwas has wanted to divorce her for a long time so that he can be with Avantika. Her fears soon become a reality. A lawyer arrives at Vishwas' cabin with divorce paper prepared at Avantika's request. The lawyer also repeats Avantika's allegations against Arambi, claiming that she created a fake video and sent it to the police, causing the family to face legal trouble. Avantika assures Vishwas that his family is already against Arambi and that she will handle everything. She then pushes him to take the final step and divorce Arambi. Meanwhile, Arambi is worried about Vihan and wonders whether he has eaten properly. Suddenly, she receives a video showing Dhruv patiently trying to feed Vihan. He uses Arambi's name to convince the child to eat. Arambi becomes emotional watching the video. She realizes that she may have been wrong to suspect Dhruv. His care for Vihan make her believe that he may genuinely want to help her. She thanks him through a message, but then breaks down because she feels that it should be Vishwas taking care of their son. Back in the cabin, Avantika again reminds Vishwas that the entire family is against Arambi and that this is the perfect opportunity to end the marriage. Finally, Vishwas agrees to go ahead with the divorce. While Avantika celebrates what she sees as a major victory, Arambi remains completely unaware that divorce papers are already prepared. She continues hoping to reunite with Vihan and repair her broken family. The biggest question now is whether Arambi will discover Vishwas and Avantika's plan in time while she fights the divorce and finally get her son back, or will Avantika succeed in permanently destroying Arambi's family? Thank you for watching. Bye.